Hey guys, in this video I'll be showcasing grab knife from Pendulum Hub. So yeah, let's load Pendulum Hub. So I'm using sign-ups and we just search up grab knife. I preferably use grab knife v3 since it's fully FE, because grab knife v4 is not fully FE yet. So yeah, let's just wait for it to load. As you can see, it comes up with this. Press D to equip knife, equip the knife, do this, and yeah, when you grab onto someone it flings them. So yeah, the script is in the description. If you want to go get it, you can. And as you can see, he's dead. Oh, it doesn't look, okay, yeah, he's dead. And yeah, the script is in the description. Thanks for watching and goodbye.